Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Amazon account that purchased or received the gift card. This is essential because codes are tied to that account. Once logged in, make sure you have the order number or the email receipt available and open the Amazon app or a desktop browser. Use the app for faster access. Now navigate directly to accounts and lists and then to your payments. These precise locations are where gift card details live, so don't jump around. Next, go into your payments or order history and find the transaction labeled as a gift card, Amazon Pay Balance, or digital gift. Once you select that record, click View Details. This reveals the gift card entry and any claim code attached. If the code isn't shown, check the original confirmation email linked to that order inside Amazon Messages. Sometimes the claim code appears only in the email copy. Keep scrolling until you see gift card claim code. Finally, reveal the gift card claim code on the order or email and copy it exactly. Use the clipboard or write it down. Spacing and characters matter. Then redeem it under gift cards, redeem a gift card, or apply it to your Amazon Pay balance if that's the intent. If you don't see any code, make sure you're in the correct account and check messages. If still missing, contact Amazon support via chat with your order number ready. They can confirm delivery and secure access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.